Hello, Kakashi. How are you? Thank you so much for your gifts. I appreciate it so much. And thank you for joining my fan batch. Pasok ka, Bap. Bap? Ay, pangit ang background ko. Tas, ayoko mag-bap. Baka pagtawanan na ako dun. You're most welcome. I'm good. Thank you. How are you? I'm good too. I'm good. Vince one. Ayoko, Shane. Nahiya ako sa bap. Ayoko. Kasi alam ko yun, nag-outfit check yan eh. Tas nagpapaganda, pagandahan, pasiksihan, ganon. Ayoko mag-bap. Ay, mag-live kung consistent lang ako mag-live everyday. Dadami. Ayoko mag-bap. Wala akong lakas na loob mag-bap. Siguro next time na lang pag next time na lang. Ay nak. Next time na lang pag pag okay na yung background ko like kasi ang low-key ko ngayon. Bahala ka. Ang low-key ko ngayon nag-live eh. You done eat lunch? Not yet. Time check, it's 2:31 p.m. here. It's 2:31 p.m. here in Philippines. Where are you from, Kakashi? Where are you from? Thank you, Sheen. Thank you sa pagtap, Sheen. I'm from Indonesia. Wow, Indonesian. How are you there? I mean, what time is it in your country? What time is it? You want to come Indonesia? You want to come? Maybe soon. I don't have passport. Jakarta. Oh, but I don't have passport. Maybe soon if I'm rich. I'm not rich. I'm poor. And I don't have passport yet. I need to save money for that, for my passport. Yeah, Jakarta is like sounds familiar for me. I think I saw that on social media. ID number, hello. I'm just like I can't afford passport. Maybe soon, and if I have, I will go there. ID number, hello. Thank you for topping. I'm lagging. ID number, hello. Benelito. Kakashi, are you still there? Yes, baby. Wow, thank you for staying, Kakashi. Thank you so much. Mm.
Langaw man sa diri. Gasa.